Hi, and welcome back to Musicians Edition Practice with Me for Flute. I'm your teacher, Reesa, and today we're working in the Rubank Intermediate Method. We're on page 24, looking at Sharpshooters March, part 1. In case you missed part 3 and 2, I'm gonna just act like this is your first time here. So let's first take a look at our key signature. What do we have going on? 3 flats. Which key is this? E flat major. Tell me about our time signature. 2-4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Let's take a moment real quick to check for any accidentals or a little more difficult rhythm that might catch us off guard. Let's take a look. But we can see that we do have some accidentals. So right off the bat, we have A natural to A flat, A natural, B natural. Okay, so we do have some things we are gonna have to pay attention to, and we'll need to pay attention when we're back to flat, back to B, you know. Rhythms that might catch us off guard is line 2. It's not difficult, it's just nice to know ahead of time so you don't panic when you see it. Okay, and then towards ending 1 and 2 might catch you off guard if you didn't see it ahead, but we're looking at it, so it's not big deal. All right. Also in stating, we have first and second ending, so that means we have a repeat. Where does that repeat take us to? The beginning. Great. Let's go ahead and sight read this. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, excellent job. So let's take a look further into things. So most rhythms are not too challenging. Just in case you did struggle with that one on line 2, second to last ending there. So it's 1, 2, E and 3. Okay? 1, 2, and a 3. Okay, just like that. 1, 2, and a 3. Okay, and then if you want to feel a little lazy, I mean, it's hard to do it when you're playing by yourself, but when you're playing with the group, you have the rests. Take note, third part's the only one that plays there, and they're gonna do. That's what they play during those rests, and then everybody comes back in, okay? And then they go. Then we come back in, okay? So knowing their part during those rests help, okay? And then just there at the end, 1 and a 2, okay? 1 and a 2. Okay, all right, so also let's take note, there are a lot of articulation happening in this piece. We have a lot of slurs there at the front. And then we do have some accented parts, so make sure you punch those. All right. And then we do have some staccatos, so wherever we have those staccatos, keep them nice and short. Okay, so this time we're gonna slow it down. Make sure you do the articulations. Let's add in some dynamics and vibratos, okay? And just really make it a fun piece. All right, slowing it down. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. right, excellent job. Let's go ahead and speed it up this time because we are going to play it as a trio and it is played allegro. So let's speed it up. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, excellent job. Let's go ahead and play it as a trio. I'm gonna go get my headphones real quick so I can play with the rest of the group. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, excellent job. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know down in the comments. While you're down there, don't forget to hit like, notify, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our practices. Thanks for joining, and until next time.